I'm going to share with you today a story from modern times. So stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, we inspire. And got to tell you a story. It snowed last night. We received about 2 inches of snow yesterday, and at 8 a.m. I made a snowman. 8:10. A feminist passed by and asked me why I didn't make a snow woman. 8:15. So I made a snow woman. 8:17. My feminist neighbor complained about the snow woman's voluptuous chest, saying it objectified women everywhere. 8:20. The gay couple living nearby threw a hissy fit and moaned it could have been 2 snowmen instead. 8:22. The transgender man, woman, person asked why I didn't just make one snow person with detachable parts. 8:25. The vegans at the end of the lane complained about the carrot nose, as veggies are food and are not used to decorate snow figures. 8:28. I was being called a racist because the snow couple is white. 8:30. I used food coloring to make one of the snow couple a different color and be more racially inclusive. 8:37. Then I was accused of using a blackface on the Snowperson. 8:39. The Middle Eastern gen across the road demanded the snow woman be completely covered. 8:40. The police arrived saying someone had been offended. 8:42. The feminist neighbor complained again that the broomstick of the snow woman needed to be removed because it depicted women in a domestic role. Excuse me. 8:43. The Council on Equality officer arrived and threatened me with eviction. 8:45. TV news crew from ABC showed up. I was asked if I know the difference between snowmen and snowwomen. And I replied, snowballs? Am I now a sexist? 9 o'clock. I was on the news as a suspected terrorist, racist, homophobe, and sensibility offender bent on stirring up trouble during the difficult weather. 9:10. I was asked if I had any accomplices. My children were taken to social services. 9:29. Far left protested, offended by everything, marched down the street demanding that I be arrested. 9:45. The boss called and fired me because of the negative association with the work that had been all over social media. 10 o'clock. I cry into my drink because all I wanted to do was build a snowman. And the moral of this story? There ain't no moral of the story. It is what this world has become because of a bunch of snowflakes. Big shout out to the great one, Francisco Gonzalez, for sharing this with me. Until we get together next time, remember always, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.